Are you ready to invest in one of the most promising cryptocurrencies in the world? Whether you're new to crypto or just looking to buy Stellar XLM for the first time, this guide is for you. In the next few minutes, we'll take you step by step through everything you need to know to buy, store, and secure Stellar XLM like a pro. Let's get started. Before you buy Stellar XLM, it's important to understand what it is and why it matters in the crypto world. Stellar is a decentralized blockchain network designed to facilitate fast, low-cost cross-border payments. XLM, also known as Lumens, is the native cryptocurrency of the Stellar network. It acts as both a bridge currency and a tool to prevent spam transactions on the network. Unlike Bitcoin, which is often seen as a store of value, Stellar focuses on making international transactions seamless, affordable, and accessible for everyone. Now you might be wondering, why should you invest in Stellar XLM? Here are a few reasons why many investors and businesses are turning to Stellar. Fast transactions. Transactions on the Stellar network settle in just a few seconds. Low fees. Stellar's transaction costs are extremely low compared to traditional banking systems and even many cryptocurrencies. Financial inclusion. Stellar aims to connect banks, payment systems, and individuals worldwide. Partnerships. Stellar has partnerships with major organizations, including IBM and MoneyGram, making it a serious player in the crypto space. How to buy Stellar XLM? Step by step. Now that you know what Stellar XLM is and why it's worth considering, let's get into the step-by-step process of how to buy it. Step 1. Choose a crypto exchange. The first thing you need is a reliable cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy Stellar XLM. Some of the best options include Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and KuCoin. When choosing an exchange, consider factors like fees, security, and availability in your country. Step 2. Create and verify your account. Once you've chosen an exchange, you'll need to create an account. This typically involves providing an email, creating a strong password, and completing identity verification. Most exchanges require a government-issued ID to comply with regulations. Step 3. Deposit funds. Next, you need to fund your account. You can do this in different ways, including bank transfers, credit or debit cards, PayPal, or even other cryptocurrencies. Be sure to check the deposit fees and processing times before proceeding. Step 4. Buy Stellar XLM. Now that your account is funded, it's time to buy XLM. Go to the trading section of your exchange, search for XLM, and choose your preferred trading pair, such as XLM/USD, XLM/BTC, or XLM/ETH. Enter the amount you want to buy and confirm the transaction. Step 5. Store your XLM safely. After purchasing XLM, it's crucial to store it securely. Keeping your funds on an exchange is risky due to potential hacks. Instead, consider transferring your XLM to a secure wallet. Best wallets for Stellar XLM. When it comes to storing your Stellar XLM, you have several options. Hardware wallets. Most secure Ledger Nano S, Ledger Nano X. Software wallets. Good for convenience, Atomic Wallet, Solar Wallet, Lobster Wallet. Exchange wallets. Least secure. Keeping your XLM on an exchange is an option, but not recommended for long-term storage. How to withdraw XLM to a wallet. If you decide to move your XLM to a personal wallet, follow these steps. Open your XLM wallet and locate your Stellar address. Copy your address and go to your exchange's withdrawal section. Select XLM as the withdrawal asset and paste your wallet address. If required, enter a memo. Some wallets need it. Confirm the transaction and wait for it to process. Tips for securing your Stellar XLM. Securing your Stellar XLM is just as important as buying it. Here are some top security tips. Use a strong password. Make sure your exchange and wallet passwords are long and complex. Enable two-factor authentication. 2FA, this adds an extra layer of security. Beware of phishing scams. Never share your private keys or recovery phrases with anyone. Use a hardware wallet for long-term storage. If you plan to hold XLM for a long time, a hardware wallet is your best option. How to sell Stellar XLM. If you ever decide to sell your Stellar XLM, the process is straightforward. Simply log into your exchange, go to the sell section, choose the XLM trading pair, and place a sell order. You can then withdraw your funds to your bank account or another crypto wallet. Future outlook of Stellar XLM. Stellar continues to make waves in the crypto world with its strong fundamentals and growing adoption. As regulations become clearer and more businesses integrate Stellar into their payment systems, XLM could see significant growth in the future. And there you have it. A complete beginner's guide on how to buy, store, and secure Stellar XLM. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest crypto guides and updates. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!